Hey everyone, today I've got a quick tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to set up your DJI Osmo Nano. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So you've got your camera here and you've also got your multifunctional vision dock that came in the box. Now on the vision dock, you're going to see that there's these buttons here on the sides. Go ahead and hold those down and that will allow you to connect your camera to the vision dock like that. And it actually shows me my battery life there, which is handy. Now on the side here, you've got a little shutter button. You can go ahead and hold that down for a couple seconds to turn the unit on. There we go. And it's going to ask us for a language, so you can scroll through and select whichever language you're using. I'm going to select English. And this is a touch screen, so we can tap on the screen. So it'll ask you to scan the QR code here, so you can download the DJI Mimo app. So we'll go ahead and scan that. And it'll take us to the DJI site where we can get the app. Or alternatively, you can go to the App Store for Apple or Android and download it there. So I'm going to do that. Just download that and get it installed. 808 megabytes, so we'll give this a minute. It's installing. Installed. So we'll go ahead and open that up. Over here on the left, it says connect to device for activation. So on our app, we can just agree to the terms. Loading resource files. Go through all the prompts because it's a brand new app. So push the camera button here at the bottom in the middle. It says allow DJI Mimo to access photos and videos on this device. I'm going to say allow all. This will be slightly different for what it's asking for between Android and Apple. It wants access for location, sure, while using the app. Allow DJI Mimo to find, connect, and determine the relative position of nearby devices. Accept that. So once the app is all set up, go ahead and hit the camera button here in the middle. And it's going to automatically start searching for devices. And it found my Osmo Nano there. So we'll just go ahead and hit connect. It says check verification code on DJI device. And we can go ahead and hit accept over here if they match. And then you can go through the terms and conditions. And if you agree to those, just hit agree. It says activate your Osmo device when you connect it for the first time to receive warranty. So allow access. We'll hit next. Activate after login. So we'll go ahead and log in. And you can create an account here if you like. If you have one already, you can log into that. So I'll go ahead and do that. And then it says activate. We'll go ahead and tap that. It says activating Osmo Nano quick start guide. So we can hit start over here. It's going to go through different functions of the camera. And then you can go ahead and hit done. Again, it's going to show you functions. And there we are. We are up and running. And on my phone, it says activation successful. Now, once this was all set up, it automatically started downloading the new firmware for me. So you can see it says downloading firmware here at the top. And it's actually at 24%. So we'll let that download and we'll make sure that's installed as well. Now my battery is getting low here, so I'm going to go ahead and plug this in while we do that. So got to 50% here, and now we can tap install, and it's going to start installing that. Device not connected, so I need to reconnect it. There we go, it's searching for my camera. Go ahead and hit connect. DJI Mimo app wants to use a temporary Wi-Fi network to connect to your device. We'll hit connect. And then again, it's asking for me to hit install. There we go, it's starting to install. Update in progress, wait 2 minutes. Please stay connected to the camera. The camera is restarting, connecting. Update successful. We can go ahead and hit done there. And on the camera, it says updated. It's kind of hard to see. And then we can go ahead and connect our camera again if we like. And there we go. Our DJI Osmo Nano is all set up and ready to use. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.